All right, guys, we're ready to roll. This is 35, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 7, 8, 10. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Race 35. Our truck heat here, top seeds. Time to beat Esme. Just did a 13.503. Esme, your current TQ. All right, this is 35 here, top heat here, modified truck. Yorn coming out with a 21.4, Barack with a 21.5. Max with a 21.4. Work together, don't race, guys. You know if somebody's faster. Thank you. One down, 4 to go, one down, 4 to go. All right, got Max in the 3, Yorn in the 2, Barack in the 4, Mika in the 1, Senna in the 5, Phillip in the 6. 2 down, 3 to go, 2 down, 3 to go. Max last lap, 21.2. Gotzel did a point in the green machine. So all work together, guys. You know what to do. Thank you. Well done. Yorn Neumann second. So it's Max, Yorn, Barack, Micha, Senna, William, Noah, Phillip, Christian, and Mike. Yorn 20.9, Max 20.9, Barack 21.1, Micha 20.8, Senna 21.5, William 22.7, 22.7 for Noah, Phillip 22.8, Christian 22.7. Max out front leading the way, rocking the green machine, down the straight, here he goes. Mac 21.3, Yorn 20.8, Micha 21.0, Barack 21.6, Senna 21.6, William 22.4. Got a minute 20 to go, 120. Senna that ton 21.7, William 22.4, Max 21.2, Yorn 21.1. Yorn 20.7. Good job, thank you. Max 21.2. Half a second apart right now. Max to Yorn. We're on the final minute, 1 minute to go. Max, Yorn, Micha, Barack, Senna, William, Phillip, Noah, Christian, and Mike. It's Max out front, 2/10 over Yorn. Yorn 20.7. Things are going to change this time. Now it is 6/10 to Yorn. Yorn to the front. Max second, followed by Barack, Micha. Meach and Barack separated by half a second. Ray's 36 is up next. 36 is next. Waiting for one more to come around. And that is time. Close one to the end. No, Yorn going to squeak this one out. 15.519. Just a tick in front of Esme's time. Max going to go 2. Barack 3. Micha, Williams, Sene, Phillip, Noah, Christian, and Mark.